Hey, so if Canva Docs isn't opening in your browser, like the page won't load or it just keeps spinning, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, this is usually a quick fix. I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get into it. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Canva Docs runs online, so if your connection is weak, the page might not load properly. Next, try refreshing the page. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary loading issue that a quick refresh can fix. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can stop Canva Docs from loading. If it's still not opening, switch to another browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Sometimes the issue is browser specific. Also, extensions like ad blockers or security tools can block certain scripts and stop the page from loading. Try disabling them temporarily. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older versions can have compatibility issues with Canva Docs. If the problem continues, log out of your Canva account and log back in. Yeah, this can fix session-related issues. And yeah, sometimes Canva itself might be down. Check their server status or recent updates to see if there's an outage. Finally, try opening Canva Docs in incognito or private mode. This disables extensions and uses a clean session. So yeah, that's how you fix Canva Docs not opening in your browser. One of these steps should get things working again. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.